Hi everyone, welcome back to Rich's Garage. Today we're going to look at my latest RC acquisition. This is a Huina dump truck. It's a 1/10 scale RC. It's mostly plastic. I believe plastic body. It might have a metal chassis. We'll see when we open it up. But basically I wanted to get some reasonably priced RC dump truck to go with the track loader. I haven't used a track loader since the last video I made that I posted. We're still trying to get out of winter here. Actually, this is it's March 5th, 2019, and I got about a foot of snow 2 days ago. And it's like 10 degrees tonight, so it's still pretty cold. But hopefully this is the last round for winter and things will break free. So let's take a quick unboxing. Now this I picked up off of eBay for, it was about a little over $100. Thank you, Mike. A little over $100 shipped. You can get it for, you'll see it as low as like $50, but then you have to look and see the shipping because it does come from China. This I got from someone who was I think a Chinese importer in California. So let me slide this open. So that's pretty cool. It's a dark bronze-ish color, as opposed to all the pictures. It looks like it's just bright yellow, but it looks pretty cool. The transmitter takes 4 AA's. It's all plastic. The battery for this is, I'm not sure if it's a lithium-based battery or not, or nickel hydride, but it says it takes 4 hours to actually charge. So I'm gonna have to plug this in. This is a USB charger. Let's see what it's going on. So it feels pretty heavy. The specs on this is that it can haul 10 kilograms, so 22 pounds, but the dump is only rated for 4 kilograms, so 8.8, let's call it 9, 10 pounds, something like that. We'll see how it goes. I believe it's just a motor drive that drives this up. But what I'm going to do is charge the battery, and then we'll come back and we'll run it through a little bit. But it's got sound. So this would be pretty cool for, if it works out, if it runs as well as it looks, rubber tires, for $100, give or take, I'm pretty happy. So, alright, that's it. I'll come back when it's functional. Okay, the battery pack is charged. Here's a shot of it. They give you a nickel cadmium 400 milliamp hour 7.2 volt battery. There's the battery compartment, and this is 88 millimeters wide, 52 millimeters high, and 18 millimeters deep. So I'm going to put the battery in, button this up, and then we'll fire it up. Alright, battery's in. Here's the controller. 4 AA batteries in here. Turn this on. Let's turn this guy on. So we turn the sound off, and so it's pretty much one speed fast, but that's cool. So that's the look at the dump truck. It's there's still a bunch of snow on the ground. It's supposed to warm up. We'll see. Maybe in a couple of weeks things will be dried out, and we'll get this out in the dirt with the loader. Till then, we'll see you next time.